Hello, friends. Today I got you the perfect organic shredded beef recipe. So, here, take the beef, add some salt to it, and squeeze a lemon right on top. So, we will marinate this beef with the lemon and the salt for at least 5 to 10 minutes. So, for this recipe, add some oil and onion in a pressure cooker, or you can use a steamer there as well. So, once the onions are light brown, add your beef, the marinated beef, not the water, just the beef. So, kind of scoop out the beef from your fingers and add it in there. Now, we will move to the next step. We will add some garlic in there, chopped garlic. So, here, stir fry the beef, the onions, and the garlic for 5 minutes so the rawness of the garlic goes away. So, yes, add half tablespoon of salt, some black pepper, and at least 1 whole tablespoon of cumin powder. After that, add red chili and now stir fry this for another 5 minutes. So this beef which I'm using has a 0% of fat, or how should I say it? It's not 0%, you can say 95%. It's totally beef, there is no fat to it. So after 5 minutes, add some water in there and put the lid on top of your pressure cooker and steam it for 20 minutes. This is after 20 minutes. You will take a look in there if the beef is soft enough to work on it. So after checking this, I figured out the beef is not soft. So I'm putting the lid on top again for next 10 minutes. So this thing is after 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, I felt the beef is soft enough to smash down with the wooden spoon, and it was easily breaking itself apart. So here it's kind of all depend on your spoon and your skills to shred the beef, to smash the beef with your spoon to make a shredded beef. So here you go. That's how I end up doing it. Well, this is after 10 minutes of using the spoon and smashing down the beef from top, and in the meantime it was still cooking from the bottom. So at this point I turned off the stove, so kind of you can remove the beef from your stove and you can still use the spoon on top. The more shredded you want, the more spoon you have to use. So after 45 minutes, we have our shredded beef, organic shredded beef, perfectly done. You can use in a burger, you can use on your tacos, or you can just eat with the bread. It's perfectly done. This is time to serve. I usually like the shredded beef with tacos, or most of the time at night time. This is night snack actually. So what I do, I take a burger, I put this whole thing in a burger, and I just enjoy it with a Coke. It's awesome. Okay, well, amigos, thank you so much for watching, and do try this recipe. It's very simple, easy, and healthy. And I'll see you guys on the next one. It's very easy recipe and it's full of flavor. As you guys saw what I added and how I made it, do try the same way and you will be amazed. Thank you and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye for now. See you tomorrow.